Hi everyone, it's Valerie Sheridan with Easy Peasy Living. Thank you for joining me for some more Wednesday wisdom. And since we're in a new month, we're going to be talking about a new topic. This month I want to talk to you a little bit about ways that you can eke a little bit more storage space out of your home. And let's face it, who doesn't need more space? Whether it's because you live in a small home or because you have too much stuff or maybe a little bit of each, a little bit more space always comes in handy. So there are a lot of different ways to do that. This week I want to talk to you about one way, which is to try to get some dual functionality out of the pieces of furniture that you have in your home. So as you can see, I'm sitting in front of this storage trunk, which serves double duty as a coffee table in my living room. And I keep all of the items that I would normally keep on my coffee table on this tray so that when I want to get inside, it's just as easy as moving this aside, and then I can open this up, and inside I have wrapping supplies, I have some tools that I like to keep handy, and it's easy access because it's in a central spot. But these are all items that I don't need to take up space in my closets, my drawers, my cabinets. I'm using the same footprint that I would be using for any other coffee table, but I'm just getting a little bit more bang for my buck by being able to store these items inside and out of sight and in a handy spot. So I hope that you will look around your home and see where you might be able to replicate this idea. Maybe you have a book nook where you can have a one of those cubby style bookshelves that you lay on the side, and you put you can store toys or books inside, put a cushion on top, and have a place that serves as extra seating as well. That's just another example. I'm sure there are lots of opportunities around your home. Just have a look, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me anytime at valerie@easypeasyliving.com. I hope you will join me here again next week, where we will continue our conversation about ways that you can eke more space out of your home. Until then, keep it easy peasy. Hey guys, I went back and watched this video a few days later and realized that I actually wrote a blog post a couple of years ago that addresses this whole idea of multifunctionalism, and not just with regard to your furniture, but also with regard to other things that you have in your home. You can pare down a lot just by buying things that serve more than one purpose instead of having multiple things for each different unique purpose. So I'm going to link down in the description to this video with a link to that blog post, and I hope that you find that helpful.